Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome, my overseas viewers. Thanks for your good feedback and for your viewership. This program, this video is especially dedicated for you, and I will guide you about correct and proper lying postures. As you people know, that sleep got a very important role in a very good and healthy life. And we see so many people when they wake up in the morning, they feel tired and fatigued. So I will guide you that what should be your proper lying posture while you are lying down, straight, sideways, or some people we see that they lie down on your stomach. Although those people are very few, but still how they can relax themselves and how they can expect themselves when they woke up in the morning very relaxed and very energetic. So, the dear overseas fellows, I will tell you about the mistakes and the wrong postures in the different lying positions that normally people do. And I will also tell you the solution and I will demonstrate the right position of lying sideways, because majority of the people, they prefer, and this is preferred position, to lie down sideways. And again, we recommend lying on the right. The reason being, because when someone is lying sideways on the right, the heart is on the upper position, so the pumping of the heart is easier rather than lying on the sideways on the left. And we don't recommend, because the reason being, the people lying on the left side, they are normally they wake up with a vivid dreams. So this is not a recommended position. We don't encourage much. So the mistake normally people make during lying sideways, they lie down like this. They take only one pillow under the head. But ideally, when you want to relax yourself, whole of the body, and you expect that in the morning you will be relaxed and you are pain-free, you need to have 3 pillows, one under the head. Second, you will put between the legs, and this top leg should be slightly forward than the lower leg. And it should be more slightly bent position toward the chest, so that we see this pelvis is in proper tilt. So our back is offloaded from the weight of this top leg. And the third pillow we will put here under the top arm to offload our upper back from weight of this left arm. So then we are actually maintaining a good spinal curves, and we are bringing the muscles back towards the natural curves. So as we know that when we try to keep our muscles towards the natural curve, so the muscles are then relaxed. That's why during the day we see when we use the muscles against the natural curve, the muscles are fatigued, tired. So basically sleep is, and the sleeping posture is to neutralize all those stresses. Now I will tell you about the correct posture lying straight. When you are lying straight, you see many people, they lie down this, and when they wake up in the morning, they normally complain some stiffness in the lower back. So how we can do the correction then? We can put a pillow under the knees. In this way, we can offload our lower back from weight of our legs. So in the morning, we will be pain-free. We will feel that our back is very much relaxed. Now we see some people whole the day, they do a lot of work and they are tired, exhausted, and they then lie down in this position. You can see a lot of stress on the neck muscles, because the head is extraordinarily rotated. And also you can see the hollowing of the back. A lot of stress is on there on the lower back muscles. So what we would do is we put a pillow here under the head. And second one, we put it under the lower back here to avoid hollowing of the back. It should be like this. Third pillow, we put it here under the feet, here under the shin, so that the legs are bent and relaxed. And then one pillow we put in this armpit, and the fifth one here on the second armpit. So basically we need 5 pillows to avoid stress or any muscular problem. So if you lie down like this with the 5 pillows, so in the morning then you see you don't have any stress on your back, on your legs, and on your neck muscles. You can avoid all these pains and you can enjoy some good sleep at night. And if you want to relax your neck muscles more, as you have been doing a lot of work, desk work during the day, and you want to relax your neck muscles more, then you will put this pillow apart from the, this towel roll apart from this pillow. You can add, then you can bring your neck muscles towards the natural curve, but this should be according to the tolerance of the patient. You can put it for 4-5 minutes. And then the next progression you can do is you will remove this pillow and only this towel roll will relax your muscles like this. And in the morning, but again this should be for 5-10 minutes, and ideally you should be empty stomach. And if you have taken your dinner, it should be ideally after 3 hours of having your dinner. Then you can adopt this position, and this will relax your neck muscles a lot. So these were the 3 positions I demonstrated to you, that how we can keep ourselves relaxed in the morning, and we expect that we will be relaxed and more energetic, and we can enjoy some good sleep at night. So this video was especially for my overseas friends and viewers, because I was feeling that in the people living abroad, they have to work a lot and they develop such stresses. So how they can avoid these stresses. So this video was especially for you, and hopefully you will enjoy it. You will comment, you will like, you will subscribe, and you will tell me about your opinions.